Decors Deluxe is marketed as an online home and decor store offering stylish products, attractive discounts, and premium-looking designs. But a real question is, can you actually trust this store? Now, to be fair, not every online decor store is automatically fake. Many smaller stores genuinely sell home products without having a massive public reputation. What it does well: the website may look professional. Modern e-commerce designs can create a polished shopping experience. The products can look attractive. Professional photos are designed to create a premium impression where the concerns start appearing. A polished website does not guarantee reliability. This is the biggest issue. Good-looking websites have become easy to build. Product photos do not guarantee product quality. Images may not always reflect the actual materials or finish of the item. Independent reputation may be limited. Less public history makes long-term reliability harder to judge. So, can you trust Decors Deluxe? Short answer: proceed carefully. There may not be enough evidence to immediately label it fake, but buyers should avoid assuming that premium branding automatically means premium service and quality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.